Bye for now. Mastering informal English farewells. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting English learning video. Today, we will dive into the vibrant world of informal farewells. Our focus is on one of the simplest and most commonly used farewell, bye. Bye is a shortened version of the formal term, goodbye, often used between friends, family, or in casual situations. Even though it's just one word, the meaning can change depending on context, tone of voice, and body language. When it comes to saying bye, context is key. It can be used when leaving a friend's house, finishing a phone call, or even as a quick way to end a text message. Here are a few examples. When leaving a friend's house, you might wave and say, "Bye, see you soon." At the end of a phone call, you could say, "Bye, talk to you later." In a text message, a simple bye or bye would suffice. Bye might be a simple term, but your tone of voice and body language can completely change its meaning. For example, a cheerful, elongated bye with a wave can convey friendliness. On the other hand, a quick, abrupt bye might indicate that you're in a rush or potentially annoyed. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but how you use them. While bye is very common, there are many other informal farewells that you can use to add variety to your language. Here are a few. See ya, a short form of see you later, used when you expect to see the person again soon. Later, or catch you later, these are casual and slightly playful. They're often used among friends. Take it easy. This means relax, and is often used to wish someone well as you're leaving. Mastering informal farewells like bye can help you communicate more naturally and effectively in English. Remember, it's not just the word, but the context, tone, and body language that matter. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing and exploring the language. Bye for now, and happy learning!